Here we are. First you remove the battery, you insert the tool into the first tool fixture. Then you reach up, grab the first screwdriver, and you remove the 4 screws that hold in the gearbox. Then you take your needle nose pliers to extract the screws and put them into the proper bin. Then moving into the second tool fixture, you grab the above screwdriver to remove the 4 Phillips head screws. And you lift up the right clamshell piece so you can knock out the screws and place them in the appropriate bin. Then you place the clamshell in the bin and pull out the PCB and battery terminals. You lift those out, and you can place the left clamshell into the proper bin. And moving to the next step, you can place the motor and gearbox assembly into the third tool fixture. Reach up, grab the electric screwdriver, and you remove the 2 small screws that hold the motor to the gearbox. Then you can lift up the motor to remove the 2 small screws, and then last you're directed to put the motor into the motor bin and the gearbox into the gearbox bin.